Assessment 1. Form handling and validation. Why is form handling and validation important? Form validation ensures the data is correct and safe before saving. It prevents bad data from causing issues and blocks malicious attacks like SQL injection. What Laravel features prevent security problems? Laravel uses prepared statement to prevent SQL injection. It also adds CSRF token to every form, making sure requests are from your site. How to make a basic form in Laravel. Create a form in a blade view with CSRF for security. Use validate in the controller to check the data and send user back with error messages if the data is wrong. How do custom validation messages help? Custom messages help users understand what went wrong, like please enter your full name instead of just the name field is required. Why containerized validation logic? Centralizing validation in a form request class keeps the code clean and makes updates easier since you do not repeat rules in multiple controllers. Assessment 2. Authentication system. What does middleware do in Laravel's authentication? Middleware check if the user is logged in before letting them access protected pages. If not, they are redirected to the login page. How does Laravel handle user logins and signups? When a user signs up, Laravel hashes their password and stores it. When logging in, it checks the credentials and, if correct, creates a session to keep the user logged in. Why are security measures important? For login, security is key to protecting user accounts. Laravel prevents SQL injection and XSS attacks by using safe queries and escaping data in views. How do you make custom middleware? You create custom middleware to check things like user roles. For example, you can create middleware to allow only admins to access certain pages. How does Laravel's out system handle more users? Laravel can scale by using Redis for session management or token-based or Lexington for apps with many requests. Assessment 3. CRUD operations. What are the steps to create data crate? Create a form in Blade, submit it to a controller, validate the data, and save it to the database using a model. Why are validation and sanitation important in CRUD? Validation ensures data is correct and sanitization removes harmful input. Laravel helps with this by providing easy validation rules and protection. How, how do you read data? Read in the controller, retrieve data from the database using a model and pass it to a Blade view to display it. What is the purpose of update and how do you do it? Update allows changing existing data. You display a form with the old data, let the user edit it, and then update it in the database. How to make the delete operation safe? Check if the user has permission to delete. Ask for confirmation before actually deleting the data. You can also use soft deletes to recover data if needed. Assessment 4. Google reCAPTCHA. What is the purpose of Google reCAPTCHA? reCAPTCHA prevents bots from submitting form by verifying if the user is human. How do you get and use reCAPTCHA keys? Get the keys from Google's reCAPTCHA console. The site is public and used in the form. Why the secret key is private and use verification? How do you add reCAPTCHA to a form? Install a Laravel package for reCAPTCHA, in your case to env, and use no CAPTCHA display in the blade form. How do you check the reCAPTCHA response? In the controller, validate the JReCAPTCHA response using the CAPTCHA rule. It verifies the response with Google service. How do custom error messages help with reCAPTCHA? Custom messages make errors clearer, like please confirm you're not a robot. Instead of a vague error, it guides the user to fix the issue quickly.